Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I hope that you are happy, healthy, and doing okay. I know that it's been a while since you guys saw me, so I wanted to surprise you today, which is an odd day for me to upload, with a new video. In today's video, I'll be taking you through my self-care kind of routine, you guys. Like, for the past couple of weeks, things have been really rough around here, and I had to take a break from being here on YouTube, but I promise you I am working on getting back as soon as possible. And to ensure that I am still showing up for you, I wanted to surprise you guys with this video today. So as I said, I'll be doing a little self-care day, just taking care of my mental health, getting my nails done, just pampering myself a bit so that I can feel my best self. And with that being said, even more surprise, you guys, this video is in collaboration with my dearest friend and also YouTuber Stacia. So Stacia is also a Jamaican living in Japan, and she has just hit her 1K subscriber milestone. We are so happy and we're celebrating you over here at NATZNIFICENT, Stacia. Stacia is also doing her self-care routine with me today, and I would love if you guys could head over to her channel and subscribe to her channel as well. As soon as you finish watching this one, leave her a comment and let her know that I sent you, so that she can welcome you to her family. And if you are here from Stacia's channel, welcome to the Nats fam. I hope that you'll be happy here, and I do hope that you will stick around forever, ever. Anyway, you guys, let us just get right into my self-care routine. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I usually do when I wake up is to take a shower. I don't know about you, but taking a shower makes me feel relaxed and just ready for the day. So I like to do this first things first as I roll out of bed. So that is what I'm doing right now, just taking a shower, getting my face washed, getting my teeth brushed, and then we will move on into making some breakfast. I do not eat breakfast, and I know that that is a very bad habit because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, you guys. But to be honest, I can hardly find time or the strength to get up in the mornings, so breakfast is a struggle for me. However, because we're pampering ourselves today, I decided that I am going to eat something, even though I was not cooking something on the stove. So this morning I decided to have some cornbread that I baked the night before and a cup of tea. I really do realize that I am liking tea more than coffee these days, but comment down below and tell me, which do you prefer? Are you a coffee lover, or are you a tea lover, or you are none of the above? I would really like to know. Also, just having this time to myself is really you know, just self-soothing for me, especially on a day when I am trying to take it for myself. My husband was awake, but he was inside our bedroom playing games or something, I'm not sure. And I was just enjoying my breakfast, and this is usually the time when I, like, you know, just check my phone, see what's happening in the world, answer to messages and emails and all of that stuff. I did realize that my cornbread was rather cold, and so you'll see me getting up to warm the cornbread a little bit because I was not enjoying it. I tend to like warm stuff on my stomach in the mornings. I don't know if this is weird or what, but cereals, I like them warm. Cornbread, I like it warm. If it's a cake, I like to warm it up a bit. Even 20 seconds is good enough for me. So I'm just going to be enjoying my breakfast right now, and then we will officially start pampering ourselves. Alright guys, so it is time for me to do my skincare routine, or at least start the process of my skincare routine. Usually after I shower is when I do this, but as you would have seen, I did take a break from starting this aspect of the pamper routine to then eating because I was feeling a little lightheaded. In the shower, I did do all of the things. I put a body scrub on, put a foot scrub on. Of course, I could not show you all of that stuff, but I did do that, and now I am going to be doing a clay mask on my face to just take out all of those impurities that has been building up, because since the last pamper routine that is on this channel, I have not done another full shebang pamper routine, and this is the clay mask that I'll be using today. It is the Indian healing clay, and you can use this, I hear, in your hair as well. I already did my concoction. This is what it looks like. And I'm supposed to put this on my face, and then it's supposed to like pulsate a little. So let's see what that has to offer. Before I put the mask on though, even though I have washed my face, I'm going to just rewash it just to get my pores open again. So let me do that real quickly. Okay you guys, so to start off the clay mask, as you can see, I am just using a makeup brush, one of those fan style makeup brush that you'd normally use a highlighter to apply this clay mask. The clay mask itself, it came in a powder, and you have to add either apple cider vinegar or water to it for it to have the clay consistency. So I added water to mine, and I honestly feel as if I did not do the paste properly because it was a little watery. Nonetheless, it worked. I just applied heavily more and more on the same spot, and that eventually worked out. But if you have this product at home, please be sure to apply enough water for you to get a thick, smooth paste. I am applying this all over my face, as you can see, and as I said, I'm doubling the layers because I felt as if it was like too watery. And this is said to make your face pulsate. I have no idea what that feeling was going into this face mask, and I was really looking forward to it, and it was horrible. So stay tuned and watch to see my reaction to all of that. I am supposed to use or keep the face mask on for at least 10 to 15 minutes because I think I have normal skin, and the directions on the packaging said so. So I was just chilling in bed watching a YouTube video. Adam was in the bathroom at this point, putting on the face mask as well, because as you could have seen, I made a lot, and so I got him to also do the face mask. And oh my god, I could not move my face, you guys. Like, I couldn't move my face. It was, when it was dried, it was like so thick, and my face was scratching, and it was a disaster. So I went to wash it off real quick, and then I would proceed into my actual skincare routine. Even though it was pretty easy to get off my face, it was also pretty hard to get off my face. I don't know if that makes any sense, but basically it was sliding off some parts of it because it was like thick and, you know, hardened and all that. It took a good amount of scrubbing to get some of the, you know, the residue off my face, but I think it was worth it because my face did feel very clean after I washed it off. And yeah, I felt weeks and months of impurities leaving my skin. After getting all the clay mask off my skin, I just wanted to ensure that I am cleansing real good. So I went in with my face wash, my moisturizing face wash, to just give myself a nice little purge and add back some moisture into my face after that dehydrating clay mask. After washing my face, I like to now start my entire skincare routine. So this is where my usual regime of skincare products come into play. I have at least 2 videos on this channel talking about my skincare routine using all of these products. They are still the ones that I'm using from those videos, but in case you missed it, I'll be linking those in the description down below. And I'll also be linking the products again in the description box below. So if you want to shop any of the products that you see me using throughout my skincare routine, then the link will be in the description box for you to purchase. So while I was misting my face with the aloe vera toner, I realized that my eyebrows really needed some shaping up. I have my eyebrows microbladed, but that does not stop hair from actually growing in your eyebrows, and so I have growth in and around my microblading, which can make my face appear super hairy. So at this point, I was just taking out the extra hairs from around my microblading so I can have a cleaner looking face. And the alcohol burnt the crap out of my face, you guys. Like, if you have ever put rubbing alcohol on your skin when you have like just shaved or something, or perfume or roll on, then you know the exact kind of stinging I was feeling. So I'm going to shape up my brows here, and then I'll then jump back into the skincare routine. And like I said, all of the products that you see me using will be linked down in the description box for you if you ever want to buy anything. this is a new vitamin C serum that I am trying currently, and so far so good. I am loving it. It is making my face appear brighter and looking younger and fresher, and I am here for it. I got this off of Amazon, and yeah, I'm loving it, you guys. So if you're ever in the need of vitamin C serum, I do recommend this one from True Skin. Also, let me know in the comments if you have a set of skincare products that you are really in love with and that you use over and over again, because I feel like I have been using the same set of skincare products without change for the past 1 year, and I love them, and I don't see myself like I'm not the kind of person to change up my skincare routine very often. I just stick to what I love and what I know works. So let me know if you're that kind of person. There's no skincare routine without a little dancing, of course. So this is what my face looks like after my skincare routine. It looks very shiny, but it feels very nice and moisturized and clean, you guys. I am telling you, I swear by my skincare products. My face always looks this radiant. And as I said, there is no self-care mental health day if you're not having a dance party in your house for one. And straight after my skincare routine, I head into moisturizing my skin, and I like to use this CeraVe moisturizing cream. I must say though, guys, if you do not have super duper dry skin like I do, then this one is not going to be a good match for you, because it is very heavy and you can feel it on your skin. But I like to use it especially when I just come out of the shower, because I have super dry skin and I just like to put that moisture back into my skin, and CeraVe does a good job of locking in moisture and having it stay in there for hours. I do have lighter body butters that I use, but when I am heading out of the shower the first thing, I like to put on a heavy moisturizing cream just to get my skin back up to par. And we are definitely living in a world of at-home manicures and pedicures, so that is the next step in my little self-care day. I am giving myself, or attempting rather, to give myself a at-home manicure and pedicure. I am by no means perfect and I mess up all the time, and I cannot get it right, which is a part of my frustration living here in Japan, because getting cosmetic services like these are very expensive here and your girl can't afford it. All right, so that is the next step in caring for myself on this day, and I am not going to bore you with too much talking here. Let me just let you enjoy some really nice cozy music and watch me pluck my toenails out and my fingernails, and hopefully you will like the end product. I'm sorry, you guys. I said I wasn't coming back for right now, but I need to explain this ramen situation, okay? Like, if you know me well and if you follow me over on Instagram, then you know instant ramen is like my life. Like, I wish I could make instant ramen, but basically, I was starting to feel a little lightheaded because, as you would have seen, I did not have like a very healthy breakfast. I was just eating cake and I started feeling a little lightheaded, and so I had to get something warm. And usually my go-to is the instant ramen, so I took a little break right there to, you know, drink some of that, and then I got back right into doing my pedicure. And then after the pedicure, we will be doing the manicure. I must note that while I was doing all of this, you guys, I was watching many YouTube videos to keep my company. My husband was playing games all day because I filmed this on our day off. It was just nice to focus on myself and give myself some much needed love and attention that, you know, cannot regularly happen because of crazy life stuff. And in doing my manicure, you guys, I always struggle with doing the left hand because I'm right-handed, and so everything gets everywhere. It gets messy real quick. And yeah, and that is why I love going to stores to get these things done. But when it's not expensive, it's coronavirus and then something else. And so I have been trying to just do it myself. And as I am recording this voiceover, it has been 3 days since I shot this video, and the polish that I had that you see me put on in this video, they are starting to strip off my nails already. So clearly I did not do a good job, but you know, it is what it is. I went with the color red for my fingernails, and for my pedicure, which is my toenails, I didn't put color because my toe situation was in a very bad condition. They were very dehydrated and cracking in all sorts of places. So I decided that I wasn't going to cover it up with any polish. I was just going to oil it and continue to oil it for the next 2 weeks so that it can retain some hydration and not be so dry and cracked. So this is the final product, you guys. As I said, nothing fancy, not perfect, but it will do. And to close off my self-care day, this was hours into the evening, maybe around 7 p.m. My husband and I, we decided to just hang out and chill with some wine and of course some foodie, because your girl is a foodie, and watch some Netflix. Comment down below if you know which series this is. This is one of the things that we love to do together. We just love to lay in bed and watch movies for hours at a time, especially when we are on holidays. We do not sleep, we just watch TV shows, and we kind of like it. And of course, there is no Netflix and chilling without food, and both of us, we kind of love food. So here we are in bed eating cornbread, eating spaghetti, and drinking wine. And this was a lovely self-care day.
What's the lie? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
And that concludes what I typically do to take care of myself when I need a mental break, when I just need to pamper myself and feel alive, relax, rejuvenate. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. We're on the journey to 1,000 subscribers, and I would love if you subscribe to my channel. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you very, very soon with a brand new video. Bye, guys.